Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a checklist in Google Docs. First, open your Google Docs document and go to the section where you would like to create a checklist. This can be anywhere in the document depending on you where you want to place your task. Next, click on the toolbar at the top of your screen and find the checklist icon. It's located right next to the bullet list menu. Then click on the checklist option. A checkbox will instantly appear where your cursor is positioned. Now you can start typing your task. Once you finish typing one item, press enter. This will automatically create a new checkbox. Continue adding tasks by typing and pressing enter after each one. To mark a task as completed, simply click on the checkbox next to it. The task will automatically be crossed out, making it clear that's it done. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.